everyone, it's Lee and I'm back with another video. But in this video, I will be doing a get ready with me chit chat type of thing. I'm just gonna yap and whatever comes to mind. So what I'll be doing is makeup and trying on an outfit that I actually wore on Wednesday when I went for a shoot for a swimwear brand called Poise. And yeah, I just want to like redo the look, but this time I'm going to be wearing makeup because when I was shooting I didn't have makeup on because I had to rush. Like this whole week has just been like a mess and I've just been feeling a little, what is the word, a little flustered. So, and I was supposed to like release a video earlier on in the week, but I just couldn't get my head around a lot of things. But I'm back now, I'm more balanced now, so I can start recording again and giving you guys content. Before I actually start with the makeup, the hair and the outfit, I first want to show you guys the light that I got from Shein. It's a Godox lamp that I got on Shein and it was like around 2,800, I'm not sure. And I want to like put it on because right now I'm just using my ring light that I've been using forever. I purchased another light that I want to start using, especially because I want to do like get ready with me's and like fashion hauls and like videos. So I thought I should get like a better lighting for those types of videos because as you saw like in my first video it was like really bad. But yeah, let me like do a little unboxing. I mean, I've already unboxed the packaging because I wanted to make sure that the light works, so if not then I would have to return it. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Also, I've got a dummy battery which I haven't actually plugged it in, but I want to show you guys first the dummy battery because I talk a lot in my videos, so I figured let me just get a dummy battery so I'm able to just like be free and not have to like be thinking about the battery running out and all of that. So I'm gonna first start with the lights and then we're gonna go into the dummy battery, right? So here is the box. This is how the light looks, and the customs were like 600 and something. I think I'll put everything in the description box for you guys who are interested in purchasing the light. But first, let's test it out before you make this purchase. So it comes with the cord that you plug into the wall. And here she is. Just want to show you guys. All right, so I'm gonna plug this in and then remove the ring light. And then it comes with this reflector. I don't know if I'm going to be using this today or what. I'll see as I'm setting up right now. So I'm going to go ahead and set up this whole thing and then come back, okay? It is so fucking bright. Let me reduce that. So I got this dummy battery from Cameraland SA and it comes in this little box, right? I also had to test this out before like bringing all of this stuff here to show you guys. But you guys, this light, let me plug in the dummy battery. So we're gonna do makeup right now and I'm gonna be learning as I go. Funny thing is that I can actually do makeup on people and I've even offered that as a service before. But when it comes to me, I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. Okay, this light is extremely hot. That's the con. But everything about it, baby, it's perfect, okay?
Alrighty, let's talk about something I've been thinking about a lot lately. Relationships. Honestly, I'm at a point where I don't see the point in dating or getting married anymore. Hear me out, okay? It feels like men and women aren't even trying to work together these days. Instead, it's like everyone is just out here looking for someone to serve them. Like, what can you do for me? Rather than, how can we build something together? Let's be real. There's this constant struggle going on. It's like one gender is always trying to control the other, and it's exhausting to watch. Now, I get it. Relationships are supposed to be partnerships, right? But in today's world, they just feel so transactional. It's like we are all playing this game where the goal is to get as much as we can without giving too much back. And I'm like, how is that even supposed to work long term? And then there's the bigger picture. bringing kids into this mess. Honestly, the world is so scary right now. The gender wars, the toxic environment we've created, it's not exactly the kind of place I'd want to raise a child. We've made things so unfriendly and chaotic that it feels irresponsible to even think about it. Here's the thing. Humanity as a whole feels like it's regressing. We are busy fighting each other that we are not evolving, and that's just sad. Now, don't get me wrong. I see women out here working on themselves, leveling up, making moves, and that's amazing. But when it comes to dating, especially in heterosexual relationships, there's still something missing. I think part of the problem is that sometimes women expect men to act like women, and newsflash, it's not going to happen. Men and women are just wired differently, and that's okay. The issue is we don't understand each other, and we are not really trying to. This really clicked for me when I started watching a YouTube channel by Princella the Queenmaker. She breaks down male nature, female nature, and why we struggle so much to get along. And honestly, she's got a point. Relationships are hard because we don't take time to learn and understand each other. Instead, we are out here pointing fingers, making demands, and expecting the other gender to just get it. So where does that leave us? Stuck in endless loops of wanting someone to meet all our needs without actually trying to meet theirs. And let's be real, that's a recipe for disaster. But hey, that's just my take on it. What about you? Do you think I'm onto something, or do you have a totally different perspective? I'd love to hear your thoughts, because this is a conversation we need to be having. Let's figure it out together. Drop your comments below and let's keep this discussion going. Thanks for hanging out with me and listening to my little rant. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. Also, I would love to add that I have noticed and seen you guys commenting, liking, and just subscribing to my channel. That means so much to me. For somebody who started their channel in 2017 and didn't know what the hell I was doing, I still don't know what I'm doing. I'm just figuring it out as I go and enjoying the process. But you guys are making it even more special for me. So I just want to say thank you to you guys for subscribing and just showing me love. I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye. Yo, I know I look like a geisha over here, but just trust the process, okay? Let's change into my outfit, and then I'm going to be showing you guys the full thing right now. Alright guys, so this is the final look. All the accessories, no, I'm lying. I was about to lie. These earrings, these are from Shein. This is from Shein. And these bangles are from Bracelets, are from Shein. Just showing you guys like the detail, okay? And it looks like that. I think these are so pretty, but this one is already tarnishing. Like, can you believe it? And then this, I got it from China Mall, Main Reef, and this dress as well. I'm gonna just stand back a little bit so that you guys can see. Give you a 360. And then I wore these shoes from Mr. Price. I'm gonna give you a full what is it, look, so that you guys can see. Love it.
Let me